Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to add an audio spectrum in CapCut. This is a great way to make your videos look more dynamic and engaging. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the CapCut app on your phone. Okay, so once you are here, tap on the text icon at the bottom. And now simply tap on stickers. Okay, so now what you have to do is to swipe right among these options and tap on the bell option. And here you will find the audio spectrum sticker. Tap on it. Okay, so once you have added it in your timeline, you can adjust it. And you can also duplicate it. And you can simply split it to the very end. And once you are happy with your spectrum, it's time to preview your video. Okay, so once you are done and everything looks good, tap on the export button at the top right corner to save your video. And that's it, you have successfully added an audio spectrum to your video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.